What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another bomb video. This video is about making money online, and it is a job lead from a company called HigherMe, meaning HIGHER, as in low and high, hire me. The thing is, they do actually hire people, HIRE, so it's interesting that they have that play on words. Now this role is called a customer support specialist, and you will be working for HigherMe. It is a remote job and it is international, but when this job says international, it doesn't necessarily mean work from any country whatsoever. So let's go into it so you can learn more. If you want to see what their site looks like, you can click that link. It will take you to their company, and they offer hiring software for restaurants and service businesses. They allow text to apply. So imagine the perfect candidate walks by your store in a rush with text to apply. Customers and passers-by can connect with you using a single text message even when they are on the go. That is very innovative. Applicant tracking system. Our applicant tracking system is your one-stop shop for managing your hiring process, from sourcing to interviewing to hiring. So you can see who has been filtered through, who has been met, interviewed, are in the interviewing process, and so on and so forth. Okay, now these are some of the major brands that have worked with HigherMe, and I'm sure there will be more to come. Alright, so multinational brands, billion-dollar brands that work with them. So you can expect them to want the best, and because you follow this channel, you are the best. So location, international, anywhere, 100% remote. Now, we are absolutely happy to welcome anyone who can overlap at least 4 hours of Eastern Standard Time. Now, HigherMe is a growing software company that helps restaurants find and hire great talent. Excuse me. Restaurants of the world's top brands such as Dunkin' Donuts, Domino's, Chick-fil-A, Panera Bread, and many others use HigherMe every day. We have a strong and passionate team that we're excited to introduce you to. We operate with optimism and are thankful for the opportunities we've been presented with. We don't have room for negativity. We also believe in promotion from within. So high performance can lead to fast upward mobility. We are a 100% distributed team working from the US, Canada, and internationally. We are an inclusive team that welcomes and respects all. But there's a bit of a disclaimer. You may work from anywhere, but you must be a citizen of the United States or Canada. Though we are a remote-first company, we have a slight preference towards applicants in North America. That said, we're absolutely happy to welcome anyone who can overlap at least 4 hours of Eastern Standard Time. Okay? So that means if it's 8 a.m. somewhere, then you would be roughly 4 a.m. or midday. So anywhere within that band, they'll look at you. Alright? Now, job description. As a member of the customer success team at HigherMe, your drive, empathy, intelligence, problem solving, and project management skills will constantly be utilized. You're the type of person that thrives in a fast-paced environment, can't stand having free time, and can manage your time flawlessly. Our customer support role is the first line of defense for resolving inquiries from both customers and applicants, which means you'll have the opportunity to wear a ton of hats. You'll also be expected to actively contribute and further the team's processes and procedures. However, ultimately, your entire role centers around ensuring that clients receive immediate attention. Our support role involves fighting the fires behind the help desk via email tickets, live chat, and inbound phone calls in Zendesk. Account management or customer success. You'll use your unparalleled relationship building skills to ensure that clients are adopting HigherMe and finding business success. While doing so, you'll be identifying areas of growth potential, managing referrals and renewals. Customer support. You leverage the experience you gain reactively responding to clients in order to propose solutions and begin forming proactive solutions to client challenges. Billing. You'll have access to our entire billing system, which is called HigherMe. That's the software they use, as you'll be responsible for ensuring that billing is correct and processing any billing updates. Product development. You'll utilize your expert knowledge and first-hand experience with our clients to work cross-functionally and ensure that we maintain a solution-based and customer-centric product. Team development. You'll be an actively contributing member of the HigherMe team. You understand that while doing your job, you will uncover potential for growth, development, and learnings. Once identified, you'll proactively take on new projects and help the overall development of yourself, team, and HigherMe as a whole. So for qualifications, subscribe to this channel. I kid, but yeah, if you'd love to, I would appreciate if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And with that said, their qualifications are, well, it's a dynamic role, and there are a variety of personal and professional traits that will make you successful in this role, which include a college degree or at least 1 year of similar support experience at a software as a service company. 1+ years of experience working with clients. This includes retail and hospitality management, software support, customer success, and sales. Undeniably strong work ethic. This is a demanding job, and merely doing the minimum to get by is unacceptable. Excellent time management skills. Expert level relationship building skills. Tech savvy and easily learns new technology such as Microsoft apps, Google apps, web apps, mobile apps, HTML experience. Strong attention to detail. A positive attitude which translates across all interactions, client and internal. Self-starter. Nice to have. Previous experience with Zendesk and Help Center documentation. Previous experience in HR tech. Previous experience managing retail or hospitality or hourly employees. Perks and compensation. Ability to work fully remote, collaborating with a globally distributed team. Competitive base salary with unlimited commission and performance milestone opportunities. Unlimited time off. Take the time you need to rest and recharge. Equipment allowance. Comprehensive benefits for US and Canadian employees. Now, HigherMe is proud to be an equal opportunity or equal employment opportunity and affirmative action employer. Basically, they don't discriminate upon race, religion, color, national origin, gender, including in pregnancy, childbirth, or related medical conditions, sexual orientation, gender identity, gender expression, age status as a protected veteran, status as an individual with a disability, or other applicable legally protected characteristics. And simply click this blue button when you click the link in the description below to apply for the job. Now, if you are working toward building your own business, and that's the reason you're taking a job, you should consider checking the other links in the description below. Even if you like your job, it is always good to have other sources of income. You don't want all your eggs in one basket. And it will free you up. If something happens and you have a meltdown and your company said you didn't handle it well and they let you go, at least you know you had income flowing to your bank account from another source. This can happen because you can build your own passive online income stream. I kid you not. With the power of the internet, you can leverage websites, apps, and various softwares to be able to have this happen while you're doing the things you want to do. So if working in 9 to 5 at a particular entity is what you want to do to make money, great. Still have money coming in from another source. Anything can happen. I'm not wishing it on anyone. I would never do that. But somebody could fall ill and you don't have the funding to take care of them. Or if a member of the family fell ill, how are you going to pay for the operations that they need? Or how are you going to have the time to be able to take care of them? If you're working a 9 to 5, more often than not, they're not going to give you 6 months off. They're not going to give you a year off to tend to your loved one. Something to consider. I'm not trying to scare you, but the reality is businesses are exactly that. They're business places. And they do have to watch their bottom line. It's not many companies that are willing to give you that much time off, and not have someone manning their station or manning their post. So think about it. Check the links in the description from top to bottom, and follow the link for this lead, and let me know what you think. This is the Internet Income Ninja. If you've liked the content I've shared, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more ways to make money online. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.